welcome you all to the second Raymond CEO Forum Awards tonight.
Extremely delighted to be presenting the second edition of Raymond Presents CEO Forum Awards. This is coming after pandemic. The event is curated by picking up some of the best celebrated executives in the corporate world. This is the platform where very intelligent, very celebrated people come in and interact with each other, and there is huge amount of cross-learning that happens. This event will take us on a completely different pedestal. Entry to the forum is only by invitation. The award winners that we choose are absolutely impeccable. They have tremendous character, they have tremendous integrity, and are extremely well-known faces in the country.
We have now evolved to a level where we are looking at everything that we do at the best and no compromises. Whether it is to do with the arrangements, the settings, the kind of gentry that are coming here, and also the kind of F&B that we have set it up, everything has to be top class.
What started off as a very ordinary, simple friend circle chat group emerged into being a very interesting format which has people from across the globe, dedicated, passionate. More importantly, I think they are kind of this tremendous bonding happening at the CEO Forum. We have members from across the US, Singapore, Hong Kong, Dubai, and the best part of the entire group is the bonhomie and the bonding.
Oh, I think it has been a fantastic experience curating this menu with Chef. And he's been a great, inspiring person for our team here because he worked very closely with our team. And he's gone into very minute details.
For any chef, each and every event is important. But for us, this is really very special because firstly, the client profile, the guest list, they are some of the top industry leaders who are coming in today. And secondly, more importantly for us, Chef Kapoor himself is on the guest list, and since he has curated the entire menu, so it's quite important that we do a very good job and present something which is out of the ordinary.
We are honored to arrange the CEO Forum event over here. It was good to work with Chef Sanjeev Kapoor and his team. We have curated very unique and exotic menu.
Gourmet food prepared by the master chef himself, right? And it's not that he's a famous chef. It is the fact that he has taken the pain to make this food with tender love and care.
I've heard that our celebrity chef has basically overseen the whole food menu. So I think it's probably one of the best meals that we're going to have this evening.
I've seen the menu. I have been privy to it. I couldn't stop salivating, and I went through the whole thing, and I thought it was elegant, so thoughtful, because it has straddled all the three worlds: the Indian world, the Asian world, and the European world.
We're looking forward to a great culinary experience. I'm a vegetarian, but he has multiple things up his palate.
Sanjeev, as a curator, creator, would give us food that we have probably seen it, but we have not seen the twist.
Food is important to us, and I enjoy good food. And I think Chef Sanjeev Kapoor knows good food is what it's all about. And I'm really looking forward to a selection of food today.
Well, I know what has gone behind it. I know the effort which has gone behind it. So honestly, I'm sure it is going to surpass my expectations. And I'm really looking forward to it.
सारी दुनिया से इसमें लोग आ रहे थे, तो खाना जो है वो इस तरह से होना चाहिए जो सबको पसंद आए, सारे टेस्ट उसके अंदर होने चाहिए। और ऐसी शाम के बारे में बात करें जहाँ पे एक्सीलेंस के बारे में बात हो रही है, तो खाना भी वैसे ही होना चाहिए, खाने की सोच भी वैसी होनी चाहिए। तो जो रेमंड्स की टीम है, उनके जो शेफ़ हैं, उनकी फैसिलिटीज़ मैंने देखी, तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट मेन्यू की क्यूरेशन उनकी टीम के साथ में की, और फिर हमारी टीम ने मिल के उसके साथ में उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया। जो खाने में सोच है, खाना क्लीन, फ्रेश, हेल्दी, इनोवेटिव, ऐसा जो देख के स्माइल लेके आए फेस के ऊपर, ऐसा जो खाने में टेस्टी हो, ऐसा हो जो मेमोरीज क्रिएट कर सके, जो बैलेंस है उसमें खाना इनोवेटिव, खाने में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा जो याद रहे, खाने के अंदर बैलेंस ऑफ वेजिटेरियन एंड नॉन वेजिटेरियन, कुछ जो एलर्जेंस काफ़ी कॉमन हो गए उसको किस तरह से एलिमिनेट किया जाए, किस तरह से जो चीज़ें ऑथेंटिक हैं उनको ऑथेंटिक कैसे रखा जाए, फिर भी उसमें नयापन कैसे लेके जाए, तो ऐसे पूरा मेन्यू तैयार किया गया।
Welcome all of you to the second Raymond CEO Forum Awards. I think we must give a big round of applause to Raymond. May I now request His Excellency the Governor of Kerala, Shri Arif Mohammad Khan Sahab, and Mr. Deepak Rao, founder of CEO Forum, to please come and join us on the dais, please.
It's an honor to be with the leaders of the business in our country. Swami Vivekananda, he has produced so much literature based on our ancient wisdom, which has inspired not only the leaders of our freedom movement, but other thought leaders also. He said, I want to teach unto mankind their divinity and its manifestation in all movements of life.
As we begin our award ceremony formally,
I'm humbled that I get a chance to represent 145,000 associates and spread over 90 countries. And all I can say on behalf of all the Tech Mahindra associates, a big thank you to CEO Forum.
I dedicate this award to my team. I mean, I'm as good as my team is, and it's something that gives us a sense of achievement. It gives us a sense of satisfaction, and at the same time, gives us an opportunity to be able to rethink and say, we have a lot to do yet.
I dedicate this award to my father, a man who spent more than I think 7 decades in higher education, and he created Symbiosis 50 years ago as a small organization for the welfare of foreign students who came to study in India. And today, all of you know that Symbiosis has grown so much with we supporting thousands of students who work for all of you.
It's indeed an honor to receive this award. And thanks to CEO Forum and Raymond.
मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ कि रेमंड CEO फोरम अवार्ड्स हमें दिया जा रहा है, हमें चुना गया। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हम नवा।
I'm really humble, and I mean, I'm an outsider. I mean, I'm seeing the CEO Forum is a very personally attached to everyone here and very affectionate.
With all humility, thank you very much to the CEO Forum for considering me worthy of this award. Thank you very much. Few things I want to say that all the lovely friends that I've found, relationships that we have built, trust we have built over a very short period of time. So thank you very much for all this togetherness, love and help which has been provided over a very short period of time. Thank you very much.
We are extremely excited and keen to hear Mr. Gautam Singhania, Chairman and Managing Director of Raymond.
What is your advice to many of these entrepreneurs who are coming in?
No, I think just follow your dream and, don't do business for valuation. We're seeing that happen across the board. You're seeing the valuation crash. We saw this happen in the 2000 with the .com. And they said, oh, my website's got so many eyeballs and therefore my valuation, and it all disappeared. We are more a conventional company. We believe in profit. We believe in cash flow. Today's companies believe in cash burn.
Have you had the time in the last 2 years to devote to that? Or?
I have time for everything. It's just a question of planning.
Right.
I plan my diaries 1 year in advance, and then when I make a commitment, so I find time for everything I do. That's why you call it the complete man. Absolutely.
It's amazingly innovative. Second, I find a lot of fusion here of East meeting West. And third is, it's amazingly delicious.
It is so soulful. पूरा हार्ट से बनाया हुआ खाना है. सूप तो स्टार्टर इतना क्लासी दिया है, एंड तक तो देखो पूरा भरा हुआ है प्लेट. ऐसे लगा सारा का सारा ले लो. Amazing. Good.
The food was excellent. I just concentrate on the sushi and the dessert. Otherwise, everything was wonderful. I think Chef Sanjeev Kapoor took a lot of trouble, and the menu was excellent.
सबसे बढ़िया यहाँ की बर्मीज खाउसी है जो मेरा फेवरेट फूड है और वो बहुत ही अच्छा बनाया गया है.
So it's been an excellent experience. I haven't seen such a lavish spread before.
And that sushi thing, it is not sushi, but it is something similar to sushi, I can say, and it's very delicious.
I had the food and the starters were amazing. But honestly, thank you, Sanjeev. What an amazing food, and not just the taste. I think we all know you're known for the taste, but the way you've curated the whole thing, we still can't get over the mango barfi, and the khao was my personal favorite. Thank you so much and love you.